1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 equals? Two. Keep, change, flip. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4 equals 1 by 2 times 4 by 1 equals 4 by 2 equals 2. Dividing by a fraction smaller than 1 always gives a bigger result. 5 by 12 divided by 25 by 36 equals? Three by 5. Flip 25 by 36 to 36 by 25, 5 by 12 times 36 by 25 equals 180 by 300 equals 3 by 5. Cancel 5 divided by 25 equals 1/5 and 36 divided by 12 equals 3 before multiplying. 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 8 equals? Two by 3. Flip 3 by 8 to 8 by 3, 1 by 4 times 8 by 3 equals 8 by 12 equals 2 by 3. Simplify 8 by 12 by dividing both by 4. 9 by 14 divided by 3 by 7 equals? Three by 2. Flip 3 by 7 to 7 by 3, 9 by 14 times 7 by 3 equals 63 by 42 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 9 divided by 3 equals 3 and 7 divided by 14 equals 1/2 to simplify first. 4 by 5 divided by 8 by 15 equals? Three by 2. Flip 8 by 15 to 15 by 8, 4 by 5 times 15 by 8 equals 60 by 40 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 4 divided by 8 and 15 divided by 5 first to simplify. 7 by 8 divided by 7 by 4 equals? One by 2. Flip 7 by 4 to 4 by 7, 7 by 8 times 4 by 7 equals 28 by 56 equals 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 4 by 8 equals 1 by 2. 11 by 12 divided by 11 by 6 equals? One by 2. Flip 11 by 6 to 6 by 11, 11 by 12 times 6 by 11 equals 66 by 132 equals 1 by 2. The 11's cancel and 6 by 12 equals 1 by 2. 5 by 8 divided by 5 by 4 equals? One by 2. Flip 5 by 4 to 4 by 5, 5 by 8 times 4 by 5 equals 20 by 40 equals 1 by 2. The 5's cancel and 4 by 8 equals 1 by 2. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6 equals? Two. Flip 1 by 6 to 6 by 1, 1 by 3 times 6 by 1 equals 6 by 3 equals 2. You are finding how many sixths fit into 1/3, the answer is 2. 8 by 15 divided by 4 by 5 equals? Two by 3. Flip 4 by 5 to 5 by 4, 8 by 15 times 5 by 4 equals 40 by 60 equals 2 by 3. Cancel 8 divided by 4 equals 2 and 5 divided by 15 equals 1/3 to get 2 by 3 directly. 11 by 16 divided by 33 by 8 equals? One by 6. Flip 33 by 8 to 8 by 33, 11 by 16 times 8 by 33 equals 88 by 528 equals 1 by 6. Cancel 11 divided by 33 equals 1/3 and 8 divided by 16 equals 1/2 to simplify before multiplying. 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 12 equals? Two. Flip 5 by 12 to 12 by 5, 5 by 6 times 12 by 5 equals 60 by 30 equals 2. Cancel the 5's and then 12 by 6 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 by 5 equals? Five. Write 2 as 2 by 1, flip 2 by 5 to 5 by 2, 2 by 1 times 5 by 2 equals 10 by 2 equals 5. The 2's cancel neatly. 4 by 9 divided by 8 by 27 equals? Three by 2. Flip 8 by 27 to 27 by 8, 4 by 9 times 27 by 8 equals 108 by 72 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 4 divided by 8 equals 1/2 and 27 divided by 9 equals 3 before multiplying. 3 divided by 3 by 4 equals? Four. Write 3 as 3 by 1, flip 3 by 4 to 4 by 3, 3 by 1 times 4 by 3 equals 12 by 3 equals 4. The 3's cancel cleanly. 7 by 12 divided by 7 by 6 equals? One by 2. Flip 7 by 6 to 6 by 7. 7 by 12 times 6 by 7 equals 42 by 84 equals 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 6 by 12 equals 1 by 2. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 9 equals? Three by 2. Flip 4 by 9 to 9 by 4. 2 by 3 times 9 by 4 equals 18 by 12 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 2 divided by 4 and 9 divided by 3 before multiplying. 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 16 equals? Two by 3. Flip 9 by 16 to 16 by 9. 3 by 8 times 16 by 9 equals 48 by 72 equals 2 by 3. Cancel 3 divided by 9 equals 1/3 and 16 divided by 8 equals 2 before multiplying. 6 by 7 divided by 3 by 14 equals? 4. Flip 3 by 14 to 14 by 3. 6 by 7 times 14 by 3 equals 84 by 21 equals 4. Cancel 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and 14 divided by 7 equals 2, giving 2 times 2 equals 4. 6 by 11 divided by 12 by 11 equals? 1 by 2. Flip 12 by 11 to 11 by 12. 6 by 11 times 11 by 12 equals 66 by 132 equals 1 by 2. The 11's cancel and 6 by 12 equals 1 by 2. 9 by 10 divided by 3 by 5 equals? 3 by 2. Flip 3 by 5 to 5 by 3. 9 by 10 times 5 by 3 equals 45 by 30 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 9 divided by 3 equals 3 and 5 divided by 10 equals 1/2 for a quicker path. 10 by 11 divided by 5 by 22 equals? 4. Flip 5 by 22 to 22 by 5. 10 by 11 times 22 by 5 equals 220 by 55 equals 4. Cancel 10 divided by 5 equals 2 and 22 divided by 11 equals 2, giving 2 times 2 equals 4. 7 by 10 divided by 7 by 5 equals? 1 by 2. Flip 7 by 5 to 5 by 7. 7 by 10 times 5 by 7 equals 35 by 70 equals 1 by 2. The 7's cancel and 5 by 10 equals 1 by 2. 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 15 equals? 3 by 2. Flip 2 by 15 to 15 by 2. 1 by 5 times 15 by 2 equals 15 by 10 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 15 divided by 5 equals 3 for a quicker result. 5 by 9 divided by 10 by 27 equals? 3 by 2. Flip 10 by 27 to 27 by 10. 5 by 9 times 27 by 10 equals 135 by 90 equals 3 by 2. Cancel 5 divided by 10 equals 1/2 and 27 divided by 9 equals 3 for a quick solve. 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 3 equals? 2 by 3. Flip 4 by 3 to 3 by 4. 8 by 9 times 3 by 4 equals 24 by 36 equals 2 by 3. Cancel 8 divided by 4 equals 2 and 3 divided by 9 equals 1/3 to simplify before multiplying. 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 8 equals? 2. Keep, change, flip. 3 by 4 times 8 by 3 equals 24 by 12 equals 2. The 3's cancel and 8 by 4 equals 2. Cancel before multiplying to keep numbers small. 4 divided by 2 by 3 equals? 6. Write 4 is 4 by 1, flip 2 by 3 to 3 by 2. 4 by 1 times 3 by 2 equals 12 by 2 equals 6. Dividing by 2 by 3 is the same as multiplying by 3 by 2. 5 divided by 5 by 6 equals? 6. Write 5 is 5 by 1, flip 5 by 6 to 6 by 5. 5 by 1 times 6 by 5 equals 30 by 5 equals 6. The 5's cancel, leaving just 6. 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 25 equals? 5 by 3. Flip 6 by 25 to 25 by 6, 2 by 5 times 25 by 6 equals 50 by 30 equals 5 by 3. Cancel 2 divided by 6 equals 1/3 and 25 divided by 5 equals 5 for a neat result.